All good.
All good? Okay.
Da.
Okay. Just gotta open our ears.
Yeah, open those ear holes. So, where things kind of wound up is you guys all on a beach, and flash cut to a beach surrounded by police cars, missing persons reports being written left and right, people being arrested left and right, under suspicion of murder. For example, those two, what were they, rappers, musicians, clowns? Oh, you guys are fine. Arrests aren't being made for you. Intriguingly enough, while ambulances are pulling up and taking care of the injured and whatnot, you guys are all just kind of chilling out together along with Granny B. And when the police kind of start sniffing around and asking you questions, another officer comes up to them and says, no. We have orders to let these guys go free.
Oh.
Special orders.
Write this in Japanese. Okay, no, I do not live in Tokyo. いいえ。
いいえ。
いいえ。いいえ。これは、いいえ。
東京。
東京。
いません。
は？
住んで。京都。
京都。Not that one. 京都 is a different.
京都。
So it's not that one.
には。
Wait, hold on.
いいえ。
いいえ。
東京。いません。
東京いません。います。Why are there so many differences? ません。います。いしますさんし。いいえ。東京いません。
ません。
ません。
い。
Why are they separate? いません。
には。います。
います。いません must mean no. This is right.